In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Life360 location not updating. Alright, let's go ahead and fix this together. I'm on my iPhone right now, and before even opening the app, the first thing you want to quickly check is that location services are enabled on your phone. Life360 can't update your location if your phone isn't allowed to share it, so just make sure location services are turned on and working in general. Once that's confirmed, we can move straight into the app. Now I'm opening up the Life360 app. Give it a second to load fully, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. Once it loads, you'll see the main screen with the map and your circle. From here, look up to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon there, so go ahead and tap on it. When the settings menu opens, you'll see several options related to your account and circle settings. At this point, we're focusing on location, so look for location sharing. If you don't see it right away, just scroll a little bit until it comes into view. Once you find location sharing, tap on it. Now you should be on the location sharing screen. This is where Life360 controls whether your location is actively being shared with your circle. Look for your name in the list. Under your name, you'll see a toggle for location sharing. If your location hasn't been updating, there's a good chance this toggle is turned off. Go ahead and tap the toggle to turn location sharing on. Once it's switched on, the change happens immediately. You don't need to save anything or restart the app. As soon as that toggle is on, Life360 should start updating your location again. You might notice the map refresh or your location snap into place after a few seconds. That's normal. Sometimes it takes a moment for the app to resync, especially if location sharing was off for a while. Just give it a bit and keep the app open. If you're part of a circle, your family members should now be able to see your updated location again. You can also check by moving slightly or refreshing the map to make sure everything is responding properly. Once that's done, you can back out of the settings and return to the main screen. Life360 should now continue tracking and updating your location in real time, as long as the app has the proper permissions and location sharing stays enabled. If the location still seems delayed, don't panic. Sometimes closing and reopening the app helps it refresh, but in most cases simply turning location sharing back on fixes the issue right away, and that's really all there is to it. Just make sure your phone's location services are enabled, open Life360, go into settings, tap location sharing and turn it on. That simple check solves the location not updating problem for most people. That's how you fix Life360 location not updating on an iPhone, and you're all set.